Well, Colleen tá cultúr an speisialta linn aniu. Jimmer sí son fear na hÉireann, fuair sí an cuid is mó cool de fear maná na hÉireann. Is léach an mhór Cuirgí fáilte mór rih Olivia O'Toole.
I have 54 goals for Ireland. I'm Ireland's top goal scorer, female. Robbie Keane is the only one that's over me. So I can't catch him now, I'm retired.
I actually didn't get the magnitude of playing for the Irish girls team because they weren't as they are today, you know. It's just turn up, train and go to a tournament, play. Nobody knew about us. I played in Seville against Spain, 7,000 people, little Spanish flags. One of our delegates in the crowd with one flag. And then the 85th minute I scored a winner. When I was like, yeah, I scored, you know, I scored. And I got off the pitch. It was when we got home and people were saying, Olivia, that's the first time Ireland has won away in the European Championship, do you know this? And I was like, no, it's like, but the magnitude of it hit me when I got home. Well, look, the thing that kept me going was because people was telling me I couldn't do it. And when people told me I couldn't do it, I'm a very determined person and I wanted to prove them wrong. I proved everyone wrong. If you want to be a professional footballer, you have to sacrifice your weekends going out, your friends tormenting you, come on, we're doing this, come on. They went out Friday evening, I went out to the wall and practiced. Right foot, left foot, big toe, little toe. I left Sherry when I was 19 because a drug epidemic was after coming in, heroin was after coming into it. I've lost 5 or 6 good friends because of it, but I choose to play football. And it saved me, it absolutely saved me 100%.
Tá scéal Olivia dul go mór John Haley.
I would have grew up with like crime and the exact same thing like that. A ball was my best friend and took me away from that other route.
You're strong, you're here now, do you know what I mean? And you're not letting your friends tell you what to do and you're stupid because you're going to play football. That's what I was taught.
I'm going to walk into my Ross bigger now. I'm going to say, oh, you know, Olivia O'Toole, and she knows people down here. And this is my place.
Hold your shoulders up high because you just being here is absolutely amazing from where you're coming from.
Any chance you'd come back out of retirement? We need a player in my Ross down in Limerick. We can do it.
And the other standout thing is obviously it's related to football because I got it because of my achievements. Carrying the Olympic torch. And I did it in my hometown in Cherry Street. You're going to do it in my Ross Mountain. And just going through Cherry Street holding the Olympic flag and all my family and friends, I was so proud. Wow. And they were so proud as well to see me do that. Paul McGrath to hand me the torch and then me to hand it to Bernard Brogan and all these famous people, and I was in this line and I was in awe, I was in gobsmacked, they're all famous.
Agus tá cóirle ag Olivia don na Cailíní.
But the most important thing, you have to go out and enjoy it. You don't enjoy it, it's no use playing football. Make your mistakes. Don't be afraid to make your mistakes. So if they make a mistake, encourage, come on girl, get rid of it, get on with it. But the most important thing is be there for your team. Always put your arm around that and say everything's okay. Don't worry about it, come on, get on. And I think you can just go out and just enjoy it and do your best. And the very, very best of luck.
Underdogs, a go forward le Airgrid.